Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook lion's mane mushroom. First, gently clean your lion's mane. A soft brush or damp cloth works perfectly for removing any dirt. Avoid washing it under running water, as the mushroom can absorb too much moisture, affecting its texture. Carefully slice the mushroom into 1/2 to 1 inch thick steaks or strips, depending on your preferred cooking method. This careful preparation is key for a delicious result. Sautéing is a fantastic way to bring out the mushroom's delicate flavors. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter in a large skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Add your sliced lion's mane, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan for even cooking. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes per side until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a slightly crispy edge. Season well with salt, pepper, and garlic powder to enhance the taste. For more substantial, steak-like texture, pan-searing is an excellent choice. Heat a heavy-bottomed pan, like cast iron, over high heat until it is smoking hot. Add 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as avocado or grapeseed, then carefully place your mushroom slices. Sear them for 2 to 3 minutes per side, creating a beautiful, deep brown crust. Finish with a pat of butter and fresh herbs for extra richness. Lion's mane mushroom is incredibly versatile and pairs well with many dishes. Enjoy it as a unique, standalone side dish, perhaps with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Consider incorporating it into sandwiches, tacos, or serving it as a delicious plant-based steak alternative. Its mild, slightly seafood-like flavor truly shines through, making it a delightful addition to any meal. A sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or chives adds a lovely, vibrant finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.